Good morning to all of you and Radhe Radhe to all. I would like to start this video with this powerful mantras. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Namah. Do you know, guys, since morning I have been chanting this mantra and it is on my tongue and it is really bringing peace and divine power in myself, and it is making me calm and happy as well. Do you know, you must have seen the movie Narsimha Avatar. It is an animated movie, but once you watch it, tears will come to your eyes because it is pure spiritual movies of a pure devotee Prahlad. Let me tell you the story of Prahlad. Look at, there was a demon. His name was Hiranyakashipu. So he wanted to be powerful. He wanted to be worshipped everywhere instead of Vishnuji. So he just sacrificed and he penance on the mountain, and Brahmaji appeared in front of him and he said, just ask for a boon. And then he said, please give me a boon. Nobody can kill me in this earth, human, animal, anyone. Neither I will die at night or day, as well as at home, outside, under the sky, on the soul. So he asked something impossible good. Then Brahmaji was literally pleased with his penance. Then he said, Tathastu, means alright, get it. Then time passed. Then Prahlad was born and he started worshipping this mantra, and he started appreciating Vishnuji since childhood. In the beginning, Hiranyakashipu ignored, but when he realized that his own son are just appreciating Vishnu in whole kingdom, and everybody is getting inspired from Prahlad, then he started trying to get him killed through various sources. He just threw him from the mountain, but he was saved. He helped his own sister Holika, because Holika got a boon that nobody can burn you in the fire. But when she sat on the fire, she was burned and Prahlad was saved. Then in the beginning, Mahavishnu took an incarnation of Narsimha and he killed Hiranyakashipu, and he is proved that if you are a true devotee of Vishnu, then Vishnu can come in any incarnation, in any avatar. So it is called win over evil. That's why we celebrate Holi, and this is the main story of the Prahlad. And I'm literally inspired by the Prahlad because it is so powerful mantra. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Namah. I challenge you, if you are frustrated, you are unhappy, you are going through problems, please chant this mantra at least 5 to 10 minutes every day. Literally, you will see the changes in your life. You will feel calm, you will feel motivated, as well as you will get the divine power. You will concentrate over your work and you will get a lot of benefits. Everything will happen unexpected. It is called magic, bro. So just go and chant this mantra. If you don't believe, just try it on. So guys, welcome back to my video. This is my 6th day of the challenge. Yes, as I mentioned you, let me remind you again, I have challenged myself that for the next 30 days I'm gonna make a video, and every day I'm gonna just upload the video on YouTube, because I really want to see the changes. Practice makes perfect, and we have heard this. I wanna prove it, because without practice you cannot do anything. And I don't want to prove myself, I really want to feel myself, because without practice you cannot get anything. Whether you want to build your physique, whether you want to build your body, whether you want to build your communication skill, whether you want to build anything in your life. Practice makes perfect. So practice, 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 and I am right now doing the practice. So 6 day, what is special? What happened? Was so what is so special that I'm gonna tell you? It is not special. I'm gonna tell you about my condition. Day before yesterday, and yesterday I had high fever, 103. I did not have power in my body. Literally, I was on the bed. I don't know what had happened. Then I thought, no, I cannot take risk with my body. Then I just visited the doctor. I took the medicine from there, and I slept throughout the morning. And I got up early in the morning. I got up in the evening, and I got ready for the shop. I went to the shop. I sat there, and I earned more than 550 rupees. Then I returned home, and I was literally feeling happy and fit and fine. And my Kunal said, "Would you like to just go to gym tomorrow?" I said, "Yeah, of course, I would definitely go to gym tomorrow." I called him exactly 5:30 because now it has become so easy for me to get up early in the morning. Let me tell you what it happened today. I got up around 45 past 5, so I just drank full glass of water and I went upstairs. But I did not feel good. Do you know, mosquitoes were biting me and flies were just disturbing me. Then I realized, oh really, I made a mistake. So instead of going on the terrace, do one thing. Just practice in your room, because it is just a beginning. Na? If somebody is going to disturb, it will be very difficult for you. It will be very difficult for you to meditate, and you won't believe when I was chanting these Maha mantras. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Namah. All the fly went away. When I opened my eyes, there was not a single fly around me. Then I thought it is all divine power. Then I went to the gym. I took exercise. Yes, after so many days, I went to the gym. So I was not feeling good. I was not feeling confident. But overall, I trained my tricep as well as bicep. And it is holiday tomorrow. But it doesn't matter. Every day I am going to get up early in the morning, and I just pray to Lord Vishnu and Radharani, please bless me. Literally, I want to change my life. I'm fed up with my laziness. I'm fed up with everyone. I'm fed up with everything. Now I really want to start my day with the new energy. I know I can do it. I have the ability to do everything. Right now, if you see, I'm in my room and I'm just shooting this video in front of the camera, because once you speak in front of the camera, so you will get the confidence how to explain yourself. Right now, am I looking hesitate? Not at all. Am I looking dull? Am I stammering? Not at all. I am confident. Whatever I have in my mind, I am speaking. That's the thing I want. Literally, that's the thing I want. And it's just a beginning, because through practice, I will just take my English from here to here, from normal to intermediate, intermediate to advanced level. And I do want to speak over the topic. So here is the news. You know very well, opposition party Rahul Gandhi has claimed, and he blamed the ECI, Election Commission of India, not conducting the free and fair election in India. And what it happened, it is called vote chori, and it has become the main agenda for the opposition party, and they are protesting, and they are making it a proof of just defending themselves and just blaming the opposition party. And they have got a big reason to blame the power party. So this is the second thing. Very well, Trump has imposed 50% tariff on our country. So the relation between India and America getting sour. But if you talk about the China and India, they are getting close to each other in terms of bilateral trade and some geopolitics, no geopolitics condition, they are getting close to each other. Russia is also already with us. So in geopolitics there is no enemy and friend, that is only interest. And so now America is imposing tariff, and they are just trying to just isolate India, because they have given the reason that we have imposed 50% tariff on India because they are buying oil from the Russia. But what about China? What about European? They are the biggest buyer of natural gas and oil. So why are you only imposing tariff on us? It should be same on you. And India is not going to bend down in front of you, because India is a superpower. Just wait and watch. We have to find out another alternative way to sell our goods, because I know India is in right now in danger economically, because after getting the tariff of Trump, things will be expensive in America, and they will be uh, very difficult to find the place in the mall. So I just want to say India should find another alternative country where they can sell their goods in high margin. But I think Trump has taken very wrong decision, and they have to think about it. But in geopolitics it happens. But this is the time where you have to just change your policy, you have to change your mindset, and you have to bring new policy for your farmer, for your people of the country. So I think Modi ji must have thought something, because it is the name of our country, and this is the pride of country. You cannot bend down in front of anyone. We have to save our sovereignty, we have to save our country, we have to save our farmer, we have to save our small traders. So that's all the news. And second thing, I was just watching the news of Ma Vaishno Rani, where landslide happened, and climate change, because of the climate change, natural disaster is hitting the Himalayas. More than 50 people died in landslide, and conditions are getting worse, because um, millions of people have become homeless, and this is the situation. Yeah, I would say it is called homemade natural disaster, because they are getting tunnel, they are making roads, they are just ignoring the natural no need. They are cutting the trees. I got to know that they have cut more than 55,000 trees. So how can you do this? How can you do this? You should be same on you. Yeah, we want to progress, but instead of wiping out the trees in front of you from your way, try to just find another way to just get the solution. Otherwise in future you have to see cloud burst and heavy rainfall and landslide, because it is gonna happen and people will lose their life. And who is losing their life? All the tourists. They are visiting there, they are generating income for them, and they are losing the life. So I would like to request to all the tourists, just protect yourself, be safe. In especially in rainy season, don't visit the mountain. It is extremely high risk, you can lose your life. So your safety is in your hand, so think before going there. And if you really want to enjoy the natural things, just plant a tree. You will feel good, because once you plant a single tree, and once you just bring up, and you will get the happiness. And literally I live in Kiradi. When I just go on the terrace, I don't see a single tree around me. Yeah, I don't see a single tree, but I literally want to plant the tree. That's why I'm thinking to get the tree in my plot. We don't want to get it built right now, we don't have money. So at least we can just plant the tree, and we can get the pure oxygen as well, bro. So guys, see you soon in the next video. Now I'm going to buy cheese, because I have to have a bath. After that I have to open my shop on time. And I will keep making video, I will keep informing you, I will keep motivating you guys. Nothing is impossible in this world, everything is possible. It's up to you, it's in your hand to change your life. You are not an ordinary person, you are trying to be an ordinary person. Just change this mindset, just be positive. Everything is possible. You can just bend down anyone, enrich your knowledge, and upgrade yourself. Upgrade yourself. We are living in AI revolution. We are living in AI, in artificial intelligent world. Use the artificial intelligence, upgrade yourself, and just gain your knowledge. All will be well. Thank you so much. Radhe Radhe. Radhe Radhe. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Namah.